Sometimes hardship because he wants to bring you closer to him. So don't go further away when you have a problem. Don't tell yourself, I've been praying for so long. My problem's not getting solved. I'm stopping to pray. Some people say that you're a believer. It should be the other way around. What's the worst thing that could happen? Maybe you might die and go back to Allah when you go back to Allah. Will you tell him, well, I stopped praying so well, now you're back with me now. What may be through his mercy, he alone knows what he's going to do. But he's told us, don't lose hope in my mercy. If I kept you in hardship, it's because I love the way you worship me. When you are in hardship, many of us, we are struggling. Then you say, I can't get married. I've been getting up for tahajjud. Every night, does that mean that if you get engaged tonight, that tahajjud stops because people say, make dua for me? I've got examinations. So now you get up for tahajjud for how long? For a week. And the exam is on Monday. What happens on Tuesday, guys? Any tahajjud, come on. Be honest, guys. Know why? Because now exams are over. If Allah loves you so much, the way you used to get up, Allah says, you know what? We've got another exam next week, come, isn't it? So the same would apply if the hardship brought you to your knees, and Allah loves the way you are on your knees. What will he do? He brings in another hardship. So Allah says in Allah, either a hubbub, then if tell who, and Allah loves his worshipper, he tests him, and he'll put it why. Because of the same reason I'm telling you. Because when he tests you, you get closer to him. He tests you again. You get even closer to him. Subhanallah.